Ayo peeps, it's your boy Anime Akash Ganga, and today we are going to visit One Piece manga and anime all-time favorite people's voted character of all the entire earth. Let's see who make it to the list. Let's see who make it to the top 6. Nico Robin. I know that most of you are curious why Robin is only at such a low ranking. Robin is indeed a dream girl, beautiful, sexy, modest and smart, but I find her too revealing. I already saw the depth of her beauty and other also say she has nothing else to offer, but her laugh, her simple yet meaningful laugh captivated my heart. Even though I am a boy, Nico Robin is maturely beautiful as Sanji. Law is an extremely laid back young man who is nearly always seen calmly smiling. The only time he is shown not smiling was when he is incredibly shocked, explaining something to other people, frowning in deep thought or deeply embarrassed, such when Copper was tied to his head due to when being unable to walk. After the time skip, he is not smiling as much anyone, but usually has a more cautious, observing expression on his face. However, he hates being ordered around as evidence of his frown and following reply when Kid told him and Monkey D. Luffy to stay back as he would hold off the attacking marine. Sanji is the chef of the Straw Hat Pirates and one of their three main characters or fighters. He is extremely powerful and he usually takes on the third strongest opponent on the enemy side. Sanji has been constantly growing in terms of strength over the years and he will grow even further during the Wano War. There where his abilities will be tested to his limits. By the end, Sanji will likely be capable of clashing against an Navy admiral and even defeating them. We are expecting nothing less than from left hand of the Pirate King. So here comes Nami. Think that you haven't watched One Piece yet, and just by looking at her picture, try to figure out if she's a bad cat or an innocent one. Heard right. It's because Nami poses two kind of beauty, cuteness and hotness. She is also a girl worth dreaming for, wise, caring, sexy and pretty. Take away her greediness, she is your guardian angel. Nami is a young, normal-sized and skinny girl with orange hair and light brown eyes. Many people consider her to be very attractive or even beautiful. She has a blue tattoo or her left shoulder which represents Mikan and pinwheels where she used to have a tattoo for being a number of Arlongs. Coming on to Zoro, he is Luffy's right hand man and the combatant of the Straw Hat Pirate. Zoro aims to become the strongest swordsman in the world by surpassing Dracul Mihawk himself. After the time skip, Zoro had gotten very powerful and the true extent of his ability isn't known yet. Like Sanji, he will even get stronger at the Wano country and by the end of the series, he will be comparable to an admirable or more. Zoro will likely to be one of the most important characters in the One Piece world come the end of the series and we can't wait to see him attain the title of the world's strongest swordsman. Hancock. I'm stoned already because she is so beautiful. She is the special mention. Why? Just listen it. Compared to the abnormal and huge appearance of her sister, Hancock has a well-proportioned figure. She is very tall, slender, with long black hair past her waist, with locks of hair that frame her face down to her chin, large B, high forehead, and light brown eyes that have long, volumetric god-like rays. Her attire changes frequently. When first introduced, she wore a revealing red blouse that showed much of her chest and a loose sarong, but it changes abruptly. And not to mention, she was on the list, but she didn't made it. She is the fans' favorite. Monkey D. Luffy, the protagonist of the story, will undeniably end up as the Pirate King by the end of the series, and in doing so, he will be the main man who conquered all the seas. For Luffy to be able to do that, become the strongest of all time, is just as important with lots of room to grow. Still, we are sure that Luffy will become very powerful and possibly even surpass the likes of Gold, T. Roger, and Whitebeard in the process. Although that day is far away, every One Piece fan is waiting for it in anticipation. The full results show regional diversity, like X Drake, a character considered to be of Turkish design, ranked 41st overall but second in Turkey. Morgan's ranked 80th worldwide but 38th in North America. The final result also show significant difference from the interim results. Most notably, Nami's ranking closed or rose from 7th to 3rd. Carrot also surged from 17th to 8th. One Piece commentator or critic Greg Werner even said Carrot is a beloved character and the dedication of furry fandom may have played a larger role in his result. Usually, this character ranking poll is only done in Japan, but by opening it up to the world through the internet, it was able to see in real time a glimpse of which character are popular in different regions of the world, and some character went up in the ranking since the midterm results, so it was truly entertaining. I heard that there seemed to be some movement online organized by fans to come together to cast votes for unexpected characters that didn't get past the production team. It's amazing how different the preference toward these characters are all over the world, and it was so fun seeing how it went down for Robin and Carrot. As I promised, I will be creating a cool piece with a character who ranked among those on the top 10 and top